Hi, welcome to another video of Mastering WhatsApp and SMS Marketing course. In this video, I will teach you how you can connect your WhatsApp account with SMSRush without wasting any time. If you need any help, you can click on the chat button here. You can talk to their customer support and if you want to learn more about the SMSRush, they have already created documentation. You can simply go to docs.smsrush.net and you can watch or you can read each and everything they have documented here. Getting started, how you can do that, how to sign up or create an account, each and everything here, how to add or connect Android device. So this is for the SMS marketing and how you can do WhatsApp marketing. So each and everything has been mentioned here. WhatsApp marketing in the right sidebar, you can also use headlines. They have created different sections for each part, and here you can see how to connect the WhatsApp account. So each and everything mentioned here. So let's go to the dashboard, and here you need to click on host, and then here you need to click on WhatsApp. So for the WhatsApp marketing, you need to connect your WhatsApp account, and this tool will use your personal or business WhatsApp account. It doesn't matter. You can connect your WhatsApp account and then you can utilize this account to send bulk messages. So click on WhatsApp, and then this interface will load, and here you will see the connected WhatsApp accounts for your business. For some reason I need to hide a unique ID, so you can also utilize that for yourself later on. And to add a new account, if you have not connected any account, you can simply click on add account. Let's connect a new account. A screen will pop up, so you simply need to click on link account and a QR code will pop up. So this is directly integrated with the WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp will connect it here. To scan this QR code, just open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Go to settings, click on link device and scan the QR code, and your device will be connected, or sorry, your WhatsApp account will be connected with SMSRush. And once the account is connected, you will see your account here, and you can see your WhatsApp number. What's your WhatsApp number? This is going to be a unique ID for your business. For some reason I need to hide that, and when it's green and saying connected, that means your WhatsApp account is active, it's online, connected with SMSRush, and you can utilize that for sending. There are some tools you can relink the WhatsApp account if it's disconnected here. So make sure to simply click on relink. A new QR code will pop up and then you will scan the QR code, so your unique ID will not get changed. So here you can see all the settings for this WhatsApp account. So if you want to control the setting speed or you want to disable receiving messages, you can simply click on this pencil icon. A new window will pop up and you can see I have enabled receive chats. So if you don't want to receive messages within SMSRush, you can disable that. But if you are creating chatbots, so for that your chatbot can read the messages, then you need to enable the receive chat option here. So if you don't want to receive messages in SMSRush, you can disable that, and then your bot will not be able to read the messages. And make sure if it's enabled, when a customer will send a message, SMSRush will instantly read your message. The SMSRush chatbots basically read the messages and they can reply automatically, and later on I will teach you how you can create chatbots or auto replies for that. And if you don't want to use that, you can disable that, and that's totally fine. So whenever receiving chat is disabled, your messages will not read by your chatbot. And to enable the random sending interval, you can simply enable it or disable it, and it's a best practice to enable it so you can control the sending speed. And don't recommend to use a very new WhatsApp account for the bulk marketing, but if you're sending a few messages, then that's fine, or if you have an old WhatsApp, that's good. So if you enable a random sending interval, here you can insert sending interval minimum. Here you can set sending interval maximum. So this time should be in seconds. So let's say if you are you want a minimum of 60 seconds, like 1 minute to 2 minutes sending interval, random interval, then you can add like 60 seconds and 120 seconds. So SMSRush will take a break after sending one message, and then randomly, like maybe it could be 60 seconds, 70, 75, 80, or maybe 120, and then it will send another message. So that's a good practice. to not send a lot of messages together. If you have a new number or your contacts are new and you don't have any conversation, or you're using that for the cold marketing, you can also warm up your WhatsApp first, and then later on you can decrease the sending interval, minimum and maximum. So, or if you're using multiple WhatsApp account, that would be fine, but it's up to you how you are going to proceed with that. And after making all the changes, don't forget to click on submit button to save the changes. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where you will learn how to create contact groups and how you can import the contact list.